Hi everybody, this is Danielle and this is day 3 of the Cycling Ambassadors. We're in this stunning place called Logar Valley and I can't wait to get on my bike. We just visited a waterfall and everything is so beautiful here. The light was magic. And we found some flowers and I was blowing them away with the wind. It was just fun. We're having fun here. And when I saw this church, I thought, okay, I'm gonna have to climb up to that up this mountain with the bike. So I did, and I thought, oh my god, it's never gonna work. It's too stiff. But I kept going and going, and at a certain moment, I was at the top, and I was like, yeah, I did it! I'm here! And the view was even more amazing, and I got to take really great pictures. I think I just discovered photographer's heaven. This is so beautiful with the flowers, and there was a butterfly actually on my hand, and the scenery is just amazing. This is so cool.